This recipe I'm about to share with you, I introduced it to my friend few months ago and she started using it immediately, and this is the result she got after 2 months. All this I share with you work if only you can be patient. If you start today, you're going to definitely see your results. Let me quickly show you. To make this potent hair growth spray, you're gonna need a glass bowl or a glass jar, whichever one you have. Ensure that all the material you use for your DIY preparation is properly cleaned so it will not end up contaminating the spray. The first ingredient we are going to use for this spray is none other than cloves. Clove is known for its strong stimulating property. When you apply clove on your scalp, it helps increase blood circulation on the scalp. This is very important because your hair follicle depend on the steady supply of oxygen and nutrients from the blood. When there is poor circulation on your scalp, your hair growth slows down and your hair follicle becomes weak. But when the circulation is improved, it wakes up the scalp and encourages faster, healthier hair growth. This simply means if you want faster, healthier hair growth, you need to help the scalp circulate blood. Clove is rich in powerful compound called eugenol. This compound helps stimulate the scalp, making it more active and alive. As a result of that, your hair follicle becomes stronger and your hair starts to grow thicker and faster over time. The second ingredient we are using for this potent spray is fenugreek. Fenugreek is one of the most powerful natural ingredients for hair thickness. If your hair is thin and you want that volume, you want your hair to be thick, fenugreek is a must-try herb for you. These small seeds are packed with protein, which is essential for building stronger hair strands. Our hair is made up of mostly protein, so when your hair lacks it, it becomes weak, thin, and prone to breakage. Fenugreek helps to restore the lost strength in your hair. It also contains nicotinic acid, which plays a major role in repairing damaged hair and promoting new hair growth. This makes it especially helpful for people struggling with hair thinning and excessive shedding. Like I said before, if your hair problem is hair thinning or excessive shedding, use fenugreek, but do not use it every day. One of the most unique benefits of fenugreek is that it has a high content of lecithin. And lecithin is deeply moisturizing for the hair and scalp, making it perfect for dry, brittle hair that breaks easily. When your hair is properly moisturized, it becomes softer, it becomes more elastic and less prone to breakage. The last ingredient we'll be adding to our super hair growth spray is rosemary. Rosemary is called the natural hair growth booster for a reason. What rosemary does majorly is that it improves blood circulation on your scalp and stimulates the hair follicle. One of the most powerful benefits of rosemary is the ability for it to reduce hair loss. It does this by improving the scalp health and also supporting the hair growth cycle. It also helps to block the effect of a hormone called DHT, which is known to cause hair thinning and hair loss in a lot of people. Rosemary is equally rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your hair and scalp from oxidative stress. This is very important because oxidative stress can weaken your hair strands and slow your hair growth. Another benefit of using rosemary is that it has anti-inflammatory properties. If your scalp is inflamed, irritated, or sensitive, it can affect how your hair grows. But rosemary will help calm the scalp down, making it easier for healthy hair to grow. I added in some hot water and I'll let this sit for about 2 to 3 hours before I go ahead and strain it. You can use cold water to infuse yours, but ensure you infuse it overnight. That is to give it enough time to properly infuse into the water. You will know that the mixture is ready when the herbs have doubled in size and the water has changed color. So I'm going to find something and cover this up. I am not going to cover it fully. I am just going to leave it ajar until it is cooled off before I cover it properly. Now let's talk about the benefits of combining these 3 herbs, because these 3 herbs we just combined are not ordinary. They are one of the most potent hair growth herbs in the whole world. Nobody has ever tried out these herbs combined without a positive result. That is to tell you, if you're really ready to grow out your hair, you should quickly make this and start using it today. This is about 3 hours or so, and our herbs has doubled in size. It has swollen up and everything has settled down. As you can see, our herbs is ready. You can even infuse it further. The more you infuse it, the darker it gets. When you combine clove, fenugreek, and rosemary together, you create this powerful, well-blended hair treatment that will have your hair growing so fast. Clove works to stimulate and activate the hair follicle. Fenugreek works to nourish, repair, and strengthen the hair, while rosemary works to boost growth and reduce hair loss. Together, they cover every stage of healthy hair growth, from your scalp to the strands of your hair. This combination helps to increase hair growth speed, reducing hair shedding, improving thickness, and restoring the overall health of your hair. It also helps fight dandruff, reduce itchiness, and keep the scalp clean and balanced. With consistent use, this herbal spray can transform your hair. It can turn your weak, thin, and damaged hair into strong, thick, and healthy hair. But the key is consistency. You're not going to see the result if you're not consistent. You have to use this long enough to actually see the real results. Natural remedies such as this do not work overnight, but when you use them regularly, they provide long-lasting results without any harmful effects. When you use this spray on your hair, over time, you will begin to notice less breakage, less shedding, and your hair becomes fuller, your hair starts to look healthier, and your edges becomes fuller. You will notice a steady growth. Even if your hair has been stuck in a certain length, your hair will grow past that length. Now let me show you how I use this 2 or 3 times weekly to revive my hair. This spray we made is not just a hair growth spray. It's a complete natural solution for stronger, longer, and healthier hair. Once you apply this on your scalp, you will instantly feel that calm, cooling sensation on your scalp. Did I mention that the smell is amazing? It smells really nice. You will not even perceive the smell of the fenugreek once you combine it this way. You can use this spray on any kind of hairstyle you have now. Just ensure that the spray gets to your scalp. This spray is absolutely safe to use on your toddler starting from age 2 upwards. It can be used by both male and female. For the duration, store this in your refrigerator for about 1 week before you can throw it away and make another one. If you do not have a refrigerator, I will advise you that you make a little that you can finish within 2 days, because it will not last past 2 days. After 2 days out of the refrigerator, it might start to develop unpleasant smell and bacteria start to form. Then it becomes unsafe to use. If you have tried out this amazing hair growth spray, please share your review in the comment section so others will be motivated. So if you haven't tried it out and you're willing to try it, please type "I will try it" in the comment section. And also share this video to your loved ones who you think will need help with their hair. Also, before you leave, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and drop a comment under this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.